Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while. It's been a while since I filmed because my laptop stopped working and I was like, I'm gonna take a break. Even though I don't do anything. We're gonna get ready to go to our living room because that's all we can do now. I literally hate my hair so much. Gonna prime first. Actually, should I do my eyes first? Let me do my eyes first. I wanna do my eyes first. I'm gonna use the Huda Beauty Ruby Obsession palette because I feel like it and I want to. First shade I'm gonna use is this one. And excuse Claudia and Charles. They are humongous and annoying. Oh my god, I didn't prime my eyes. Put it on there. Why not? We can now move on to the eyes. I haven't filmed in so long. The last video you've seen was filmed last month, so you know it's been a while because it's the end of March at the moment. Not end of, but I think it's 25 today, maybe not. I don't remember. But as you can tell, we're going for pink, even though I'm wearing a blue shirt. It's okay. It's fine. So I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you're listening to what you're being told to stay at home so that we can get rid of this situation. And I'm gonna use this shade, I think. Not gonna lie, being told to stay at home is something usual for me. Why is this orange? Yep, that's orange. Cool. It's definitely not what I wanted. We're gonna do a halo eyes. I just decided right now we're gonna do a halo eyes. So I'm gonna use a smaller brush if I can find one. That would be fantastic. I hope you can't hear my brother because he's playing and he likes to scream while he's playing. I'm gonna use the shade in my inner corner and outer corner and then use a shimmer in the middle, which is definitely the definition of halo eyes. You can tell I haven't filmed in a while because I literally don't know what I'm saying. Garbage, that's what I'm saying. I always tap the brush onto my mirror so that I don't have a lot of fallout on my face, because I don't like to clean my face after I'm done with my eye makeup. I just usually apply my foundation and get on with it. Ain't nobody got time for that. I don't know if the halo eyes is gonna work because I have small lid space, but we're gonna try and see if it works. My skin is going through it. For a while, I used to wash my face once every day because I was just struggling. But I have been trying to take care of my skin because having bad skin ruins your day. And I got a new, not new, I never had one, but I got a glitter glue. If I can open it, that would be fantastic. Do I have anything I can open this with? No, I do not. Oh my god. Got it! I have the NYX glitter primer, and I'm gonna apply it to the center of my lid. I'm not gonna apply a lot because I don't think you need a lot. And then I think, should I use this or this? Which one should I use? I think I'm gonna use this one. Oh yes. It looks so good. And I'm gonna take a blending brush and blend them together. I love it. I love it a lot. Let me just do the other eye. I have makeup all over my hand. So just apply, if you have something like this, just apply a little bit. You don't need a lot because it's very sticky. And then I'm gonna use the other hand so that I can place it better. Tell me this does not look good. I am so in love with the shade. And blend around it so that it doesn't look weird. Okay, now that we're done with the eyes, I'm gonna move on to my face. I'm sorry about my hair. I just don't know what to do with it. I don't think you care, but I care, and I'm getting upset. I'm gonna use the Smashbox Pore Filler Primer, even though, as we all know, even without the self isolation, I ain't going nowhere. But why not? Why the hell not? I'm gonna use the Dior Airflash Spray Foundation, and I'm gonna spray it on my beauty blender. Ah, it's so good. I'm gonna spray a bit more. This has barely any coverage. I hate it. Feel like it looks good on the skin, but there is barely any coverage on. We're gonna do the concealer, and I'm gonna use the Born This Way multi-sculpting concealer from Too Faced. How good do I look? I love how full coverage this concealer is. You can hide anything with this concealer, except for this one. There's no hiding that. And I'm gonna take the Zoeva concealer buffer to blend in my inner corner. I'm gonna set my face with the Revolution Luxury Powder in Banana. And I'm gonna take the rest of the powder and put it on my face around here, because I don't get as oily here. So I just take a small amount, no, that's not a word, a small amount of powder and put on my face. Baking here just made the pimple on my forehead even seem bigger. I don't know how it's possible because it already looks so huge. As soon as we're allowed to go out, I'm gonna go and cut my hair. I cannot. Long hair does not suit me. I just don't know what to do with it. It's a lot of hair. It's a lot of hair. Especially because I use Olaplex now, so my hair is not as damaged and I have more of it now than I used to. So I just don't know what to do with it. I'm not used to this. When I used to have this much hair, my mother used to do my hair. And she's not doing my hair anymore, so I don't want to deal with it. God, I sound so spoiled, and I am not gonna lie. I'm gonna bronze my face using the Bobbi brown bronzer in the shade Dark 3. Is there any bronzer on my forehead? No, there isn't. And now I'm gonna remove the powder from my face. Remove? What's the right word for it? Get rid of, I think. And for blush, I'm gonna use the Morphe blush palette in 8W. I think I'm gonna use MUA, the shade here, and I'm gonna use the same brush as I used my bronzer. Did that make sense? I'm gonna use the same brush I used for my bronzer. That makes more sense. Every time I don't know how to speak English, my brother is like, do you went to UK to study? How? He's so mean. He gets it from his sister though. Okay, I'm gonna finish under my eyes. So I will take the first shade we use, which was what? This one. Honestly guys, I'm so sorry about the mirror. My eyesight is not as great, so I literally can't see. So I have to have the mirror so up close to my face to be able to see what I'm doing. I'm blind and I don't wear contacts. I only wear glasses sometimes. I thought I couldn't see from far away, but I think I can see from, I don't know, maybe it's from the lights. It probably is. And I'm gonna use also this dark shade that we used in the inner corner and outer corner. I'm gonna run it very close to my lash line. And I think I'm gonna use the shimmery shade on my lower lash line as well. Yes, let's do it. I'm gonna have it like a teardrop, even though you can't see it from far away. That's it for the eyes. We're gonna use I'm gonna use what? What is wrong with me? I'm gonna use my highlighter now, and I'm gonna use the Stila Heaven's Hue highlighter in the shade Kitten. I didn't do my eyebrows. I completely forgot. I'll do my eyebrows next. I'm gonna use this same. Oh my god, I can't speak. I'm gonna use the I'm gonna use the same shade I used for my. I'm gonna use the same highlighter I used to highlight in my inner corner. And now I'm gonna do my eyebrows, because I completely forgot about them because they're so messy and I don't want to deal with them. I don't think you need to see this because I've done this in every video and it's not necessary. So we'll just fast forward from here. Now that's done. I'm gonna do my lashes and then do my lipstick and we'll be done. And then you can move on with your life. I'm gonna use the Loreal mascara. This mascara is so good. Look at my lashes. Can you see them? No, you cannot. But trust me, they look good. And for my lipstick, I'm gonna use the Ofra liquid lipstick and Pearl Harbor. And this is the end of this video. I hope you guys had fun watching me. I hope you are able to escape reality for a few minutes. 38 minutes I've been filming, so maybe not 38 minutes. Anyways, stay safe, and listen to what your country is telling you. If it's telling you to stay inside, stay inside. Anyways, this is the end, as I said previously. Follow me on Instagram or Twitter if you like to. I always have the links in the description box. I also have every product I use in the description box, so if you like to go and browse. And I think that's it. Subscribe if you want to. If you don't want to, that's fine, completely fine, normal, we're good. But I will see you guys in my next video, and please stay safe, wash your hands, bye.